Hi, Giselle. It's Jamie again. We have another story. This one is titled, I Have the Hiccups. Looks like there's a little girl and maybe her mom, and looks like she has the hiccups, all right. Looks like they're in like India or someplace. I noticed like that looks like the Taj Mahal, and they have the headdresses on that a lot of people in other countries wear. Anyways, let's read. I Have the Hiccups, written by Anne Hart. Hic! I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mom says. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. Hic! I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad says. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. Hic! I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bite of a pickle. It's sour. I make a face. Hic! I still have the hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Noura's house. Help, I say. I have the hiccups. Lay on the floor, Auntie Noura says. I lay on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I say. It'll work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. Hic! I still have the hiccups. My cousin Salima comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me, I beg. Salima says. Stand on one leg. I do. I hold on to a chair. Now stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now open your eyes really wide. I do. And I try not to blink. Now look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my left shoulder. Now wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore too. Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait and I wait. Suddenly the door opens. A bright flash blinds me. I put my leg down and I pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs, but your hiccups are gone. Oh, that was a cute story. I have never tried that. Have you tried anything to get your hiccups gone? Have you ever had hiccups? I know that some people think being scared, being startled scared, will make your hiccups go away. What my hubby does, my husband told me to take a drink of water, which that's what one person in the story had suggested. But he says you need to put a paper towel over the water, over the top of the glass, and then put your head down and kind of drink like upside down through a piece of paper, through the paper towel. And I don't know why, but that seems to make my hiccups go away. Anyways, here, let's ask our questions. First one, number 1, is how many people try to cure the hiccups? Well, I know there was her mom, her dad, her brother, and her cousin. Oh, wait, didn't we forget her aunt? I forgot her aunt. So I think that makes 5. Let's go back and look, though. This was a pretty long story. Okay, let's see. Page 1. I have the hiccups. Mom says count 10. So mom, dad, brother, aunt, and her cousin, Salima. Okay, so there was 5. Okay, what is the brother's idea for curing the hiccups? Do you remember what the brother's idea was? I kind of do, only because I'm with her in that I do not like pickles. He suggested she eats a pickle. Ugh, yuck. Do you like pickles? Not me. I like cucumbers, but not pickles. Who was the first person to try and help? I was her mom. Her mom was with her at the very beginning of the story. And what is the best word to describe Salima? Salima. What is the best word? Can you think of a word? Well, I think I can think of lots of words as she relates to the character in the story, which was, what was her name? Was it, did it tell us what her name is? She said, I have the hiccups. They never told us her name. Huh, I thought that's true. Interesting. They never told us the main character's name. Okay, well, the what is the best word that describes Salima? I would describe her as um, very smart and funny and resourceful, and she's also a cousin. I don't know if that's describing her so much, but that's she is the cousin of the main character. Can you think of other ways to describe Salima? Hmm. Pretty fun story. Well, I hope you have a really great day, and I will be recording you more stories soon. Bye, Giselle.